Hello everyone, this is Delaware Studios. You are welcome to the part 2 of the Excel tutorial. Now we have a full data of 20 students from Intuitive High School. Now they offer different subjects like maths, English, biology, physics, accounts, geography, economics, agri-science, and chemistry. This is the data. Probably I'm a school teacher or a class teacher of this particular grade of students, and I'm given the task to compute the score sheet of 20 students that I handle in my class. I have to use an Excel sheet. I come here, I type in some of the data I need, the names started by the first column, followed by the subjects that they offer and the scores that each one of them add in the subject. But looking at this is not well aligned, it's not sitting so well. I need to make it look more presentable. I've done the typing, but I really want to show you on how to edit some data in Excel. First of all, this header is not bold enough. We need to make it conspicuously seen. I come to is a cell. Each box in Excel is called a cell. Don't forget that it's called a cell. So if I'm talking of cell, you should understand 1 minute. Now I pick the first cell, which is A. I drag it down to J. I click on merge and center, so that once I merge, what is actually written in those cells will be centralized. Let's do that quickly. Can you see it? It has been centralized. Intuitive High School has been centralized, and the cells have been merged all together. Now I need to increase the font of Intuitive. This is the formula bar, which I'll be talking majorly on. The formula bar is very important, majorly for formulas, but you can also use it to insert data into your Excel worksheet. Now I come over here, I can change it to Verdana font family, and the font size can grow the font size or increase the font size here. Start to have a larger font size. Can you see it? It's increasing, which that is actually what we wanted. I feel it needs to increase more than that. Can still grow it up. Perfect. Now, perfect. My Intuitive header, which is the Intuitive High School, is bold enough and good to go. That's cool. Now I have the names, the maths, which is the subject. I need to increase the font of these. Undo. Short mistake there. Can you see this arrow? This arrow is telling me that do I want to select the full row, which I click yes. The row has been selected. I can also change it to Verdana. Can you see it? I can pick a font size of 12. And 12 is cool. That's okay. I move to the other one. Instead of me continuing to do the same thing to the other data, I should be able to click and drag all. Definitely I've selected all, so any of the editing that I make on this selected portion will affect all data highlighted. So I want to change it to Verdana, and reduce the font size to 10. Can you see it? That's cool. Now I need my scores. I need the scores of the students to be centralized. I come over here, which is part of the aligning tool. I center. Can you see? I'm giving it shape. Fine. If you should notice the second header here, they are modeled up. There is a tool that will make us distinctly separate those. Now, this shouldn't be named. Something has been wrong here, but I can easily do that. It's maths. I think. Sorry. It's maths. So let me quickly do that. I click on the name. I come over here. The orientation, we have the angle clockwise. The angle, you can go through them, but for this tutorial we'll be using the angle clockwise. Can you see that? Continue to use the angle clockwise, or I select all, just like the way I did earlier, and apply this to there. Okay, I will have to reselect it and apply the angle clockwise to there. Can you see what I'm talking about? It's beginning to look more attractive. If you notice the line spacing is gone, I just have to spread them slightly. You won't be able to use a lot of spacing. Just spread them lightly by the bar here. It's filled up. Cool. 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 Can you see it? Getting to have a presentable overview on how to present data in Excel. Now you can use your insert, which I would like us to do here. I want to just insert a logo. My insert is not coming alive. No problem. Let me click out of it. Let me click in. Insert picture. So my desktop. Just the logo of the school. Can you see it over there? I can shrink it up. Can reduce it up. That's cool. I drag it down. So I have a logo. Reduce it. Cool. Can you see it? This intuitive high school with 20 students that offered 9 subjects, and their scores are legibly recorded. With this, you have a full data of the students on the fly. Join me in the next part and let us continue on what Mr. Hell.